Remove the packaging tube. Place the fan stabilizer tubes on the frame tube and lock them with square neck bolts, washers and cap nuts. Install the rear stabilizer in the same way. Add anaerobic adhesive. Install the left pedals on the left side of the crank and lock it in the direction of the arrow shown in the diagram. Install the right pedals in the same way. Note, after the pedals are installed, it is better to leave the anaerobic adhesive dry for more than 12 hours before use. Then the pedals will not fall off. Install pedal adjustment strap. Remove the pre-assembled bolts and washer. Install the backrest frame onto the sliding tube joint and lock it with the pre-assembled hexagon socket head bolt and washer. Remove the pre-assembled bolts on the seat. Lock the seat onto the backrest frame using pre-assembled cross-groove pen head bolts. Install the backrest onto the backrest frame and lock it with cross-disc head bolt M6*40. Spring washers and washers 30. Remove the pre-assembled bolts and washer. Insert the seat cushion adjustment lever onto the brake shaft, align the threads, and lock it with the hexagonal socket head bolt, spring washer, and arc-shaped washer. Insert the grip line onto the lower grip line. Remove the packaging tube. Connect the sensing line and the lower grip line to the relay line and the upper grip line respectively, and then insert the support tube into the main frame. Use hexagon socket head bolts and arc washers to lock the support tube. Install the front handlebar onto the support tube, then install the clamp cover and lock it with a single threaded rod. Remove the pre-assembled bolts and washer on the armrest. Use hex bolts, spring washers and washers to lock the hand-cranked armrest onto both sides of the front armrest. Remove the pre-assembled bolts and washer on the back of the monitor. Connect the wire 1A and 1B of the monitor to the wire 14/15 respectively. Then place the monitor on the support tube and lock it with the cross-groove pond head bolt and washer. Place the support cover L are on both sides of the support tube and lock both ends with cross-groove screws. Remove the pre-assembled bolts on the rear handle. Use cross-groove pen head bolts to lock the bottle cage onto the rear handlebar. Tips: installation completed. Please check if the bolts and nuts are securely fastened.